Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Ashrama Mehrin. My ID is 181115759. Today my presentation topic is business research. Now I describe about my topic. First of all, business research is a process of acquiring detailed information of all the areas of business, and using such information is maximizing sales and profit of the business. Such a study helps companies determine which product service most profitable in demand. In simple words, it can be stated as the acquisition of information to knowledge of professional of commercial purpose of determine opportunities and goal for a business. Business research can be done for anything and everything. In general, when people speak about business research, it means asking research questions to know where the money can be spent to increase sales, profit, or market share. Such research is critical to make wise and informed decisions. For example, a mobile company wants to launch a new model in the market, but they are not aware of what are the dimensions of a mobile that are in most demand. Hence, the company conduct a business research using various methods to gather information, and the same is then evaluated and conclusion are drawn as to what dimensions are most in demand. This will enable the research to make wise dimension to position his phone at the right price in the market and hence acquire a large market share. Business research is a part of the business intelligence process. It usually conducted to determine whether a company can succeed in a new region, to understanding their competitors, or to simply select a market approach for a product. This research can be carried out qualitative research method or quantitative research method. And there are some advantages and disadvantages of business research method. Quantitative research method are research method that deal with numbers. It is a systematic empirical investigation using statistical, mathematical, or computational techniques. Such as method usually start with data collection and then proceed to statistical analysis using various methods. The following are some of the research methods used to carry our business research. There are a very relation with survey research. Survey research is one of the most widely used method to gather data, especially for conducting business research. Survey involving asking various survey questions to a set of audience, though various types like online polls, online survey, questionnaire, etc. Nowadays, most of the major corporation or companies used this method to gather data and used to interested the market and make appropriate business decision. Various types of survey like cross-sectional survey, which are needed to collect data from a set of audience at the given point of the time and survey which are the needed to collect data for a set audience across various time duration in order. Understanding changes in the response behavior are used to conduct survey research. With the advancements in technology, now survey can be sent online through email or social media, etc. etc. Qualitative method. Qualitative research is a method that has a high importance in business research. Qualitative research involves obtaining data through open-ended conversational means of communication. Such research enables the research to not only understand what the audience thinks, but also why he thinks. In such research, in-depth information can be gather for the subject depend on their response. There are various types of qualitative research methods such as interview focus groups, interviews focus group, infographic research, content analysis, case study research that are widely used. Such as method are very high important in business research as it enables the research to understand the consumer, what motivates the consumer to buy and what does not. It will lead to higher sales, and that is the prime overview objective for any business. So that's all about my presentation. Thank you so much.